Now, as we get started looking at genetic mutations, it's important that you keep track of what are the types of mutations. So this is what actually happened to the nucleotides. Were they deleted, inserted, or substituted? So those that are in all caps are the types, and the results are underlined. So deletion, insertion, the result is always frame shift. Substitution, the result could be missense, silence, or nonsense. So 3 possible results for substitution, 1 result for insertion or deletion. So keep going back to this as you work on the assignment. So what I did is I have the original code, and it might be helpful for you to go ahead and draw your lines. I have commas. It's hard to type in that line there. So this is the original. I did that for you so you don't accidentally make a mistake on the original. You are going to go through, there are 5 different situations where that original was mutated. There's something that happened to that original one. And on the back, it's recopied for you. And so, go through, add your lines. I'm going to stop there so you don't have to just watch me draw lines. Make your mRNA. Use your codon chart, and you can use the same codon chart that you were using for your protein synthesis assignment. This one. Okay. So use that codon chart to determine what these mean. So I already know AUG codes for MET. If you forget how to do that, then go back and use the protein synthesis practice as your refresher. Okay. So UAG, I shouldn't have just done 1 and then it's amino acid. I should have finished this whole thing first. But since I'm trying to do it quickly for you, UAG, UAG codes for stop. So I'm going to stop there. You do need the rest of your mRNA here. I just stopped for time's sake. But if you get a stop, you actually stop. Was the protein changed? You're just going to tell me, is this protein different from this original? Yes or no? What type of gene mutation is this? Use the types up here, the ones in all caps. What result? And don't forget this part right here. A lot of students forget this. Circle the letter that is changed. And so, I know this is where my amino acid is different. So that's the easiest way to find your mutation. Find where there's a change, and now compare these. Okay, well, it was originally C, now it's T. I'm going to circle that T. If something's inserted, and circle what was inserted. If something was deleted, I'm going to pretend that there was a deletion right there. I would circle that gap where something's missing. So don't forget that step. That is an important step. Then you're going to do the back side. There are 3 questions asking about results. So use the directions at the top to help you. And the last part is a real-world situation. It is the exact same type of question you've been answering. It's just in a different format. I made you do the original this time and the mutation, so you're going to compare them, and then actually write right here your explanation instead of just writing result and type.